Welcome to Mattavara Do All Institute of Technology. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any place. Learn free at any time. Learn free at any pace. Good luck, learners. Have a good day. This program is brought to you by Mattavara Do All Institute of Technology. The free virtual learning center for everybody. Learn almost everything free and become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator through Zoom virtual meetings, irrespective of geographical location, with or without the need for constant internet connectivity. Register your name for free webinars. How to register your name for free webinars? It is very easy. Please save the telephone number in your mobile and then send your name by WhatsApp text message and send your name by email to x99@yahoo.com. Please spread this message to all your contacts so that somebody in some corner of the world will get some benefit out of this free, unique, and amazing opportunity. This is an Atmanirbhar Bharata initiative. Go green, save trees. Good luck, viewers. Have a good day. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible. Disclaimer: efforts will be made to present the information correctly, clearly, and completely in this presentation. However, every keystroke is itself an important source of error, and therefore the end users are required to make use of the information provided here at their own risk, fully knowing their own personal limitations, if any. The study material supplied by the learners is exclusively used wherever possible in the presentations, so that the learners will be able to learn from the same study material which they have. However, additional explanations, classroom examples, and exercises will be included as and when required to make the subjects more simpler and easier to learn. The video recording of all sessions will be made available to all participants to enable them to go through the same as many times as required in individual cases to become an expert in the topic covered in the sessions through the link to YouTube, which is also beneficial to all those who could not join the online session for any reason whatsoever. Donate. In Sanskrit, it is Vitaranam. Kindly excuse, we do not need money as donation. We need donations in the form of honest opinions, meaningful suggestions, and constructive criticisms to improve the quality and clarity of presentation of the information made during this session, so that they are addressed to the best extent possible during all our future sessions and future programs in the best interest of learners. Samarpan or dedication. Yeshah Pataha Mama Sarvesham Chatraanam Krute Samarpitaha. Asse Ye Mam Katam Patayitum Shikshayanti Sma. This lesson is dedicated to all my students who taught me how to teach. Samskrita or Sanskrit for everybody. Sarvesham Krute Samskritam. Sanskrit for everybody. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ. ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಸರ್ವತ್ರ. Sanskrit everywhere. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ. Now, how many people are there? Because I am not able to see the participants in my computer. How many are there, please?
3 participants are there.
Oh, that's very nice. So, we'll just make a small revision and we'll go back to further lessons. Namo Namaha. It is written in Devanagari script on the screen. So here Namo Namaha, this is written in Devanagari script. It is written using Kannada here. It is written in Hindi, but it appears that it is same thing as in Sanskrit. This is what you can write in English. That means there is no exact translation available for this particular sentence. What it means is something like this. I bow down to all of you. This is what some people do, particularly in places like where Buddhism is there. If a group of people meet another group of people, then this will be the type of Namo Namaha they will do. Now, let us revise what we did yesterday so that we'll be able to, suppose something is forgotten, we'll be able to remember. Then we will continue the further lessons. Now, somebody can read this in this particular fashion. See, read it from top to bottom here. That is, Balaha, Shishyaha, Agrajaha, Janakaha, Pitruvyaha, Putraha. You can read one time from top to bottom.
Balaha, Shishyaha, Agrajaha, Janakaha, Pitruvyaha, Putraha.
So, another participant can also read one time.
So, another participant is not there.
You're only one, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that is fine. Then you read this, the second line top to bottom. Patati, namati, vadati, pashyati, pruchyati, gachyati. One time you can read.
Patati, namati, vadati, pashyati, pruchyati, gachyati.
That is good. You know any idea of meaning of this one, or you want hints? You can tell what it means in English and in Kannada.
Balaha means huduga. Shishyaha means student.
First you can tell in English. First you can wait. I will repeat once.
Yeah.
See, Balaha means boy. Shishyaha means disciple, student, pupil, anything like that we can take. Agraja is elder brother. Agrajaha. Janakaha, father. Pitruvyaha, uncle. Putraha, son. Patati, read. Namati, salute. Vadati, say. Pashyati, see. Pruchyati, ask. Gachyati, go. You can read now top to bottom from here in Sanskrit as well as in English. Same thing here, you can do it. Read it from top to bottom. Balaha, boy. Shishyaha, disciple. Agrajaha, elder brother. Like that.
Yeah. Balaha boy, Shishyaha disciple, Agrajha elder brother, Janakaha father, Pritya, Pitruvyaha uncle, Putraha son.
Same
Patati,
thing.
me-
Uh,
Patati read, Namati salute, Vadati say, Pashyati see, Pruchati ask, Gachati go.
that is good. Now, read horizontally. Balaha patati. Shishyaha namate. Agrajaha vadate. Janakaha pashyate. Pitruvyah pruchyate. Putraha gachyate. Like that. Once. Read once.
बालः पठति शिष्यः नमति अग्रजः वदति जनकः पश्यति पितृव्यः पृच्छति पुत्रः गच्छति.
Now, the meaning in Kannada. Balaha means Huduga, Shishyaha, Shishya, Agrajaha, Anna, Janakaha, Appa, Pitruvyaha, Chikkappa, Putraha, Maga, Patati, Odo, Namate, Namaskariso, Vadate, Helo, Pashyate, Nodo, Pruchyate, Kelo, Gachyate, Hogo. You can read it once from top to bottom.
बालः हुಡುಗ शिष्यः means शिष्य अग्रजः अण्ण जनकः अप्प पितृव्यः चिಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ पुत्रः मग पठति ಓದು ನಮತಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸು ವದತಿ ಹೇಳು ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ನೋಡು ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಕೇಳು ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಹೋಗು.
Now you can read this horizontally. Balaha patate, Shishyaha namate, Agrajaha vadate, Janakaha pashyate, Pitruvyaha pruchyate, Putraha gachyate. One time you can read.
बालः पठति शिष्यः नमति अग्रजः वदति जनकः पश्यति पितृव्यः पृच्छति पुत्रः गच्छति.
Very good. Now we will read, take one item only here and read all of them. Like Balaha patate, Balaha namate, Balaha vadate, Balaha pashyate, Balaha luchyate, Balaha gachyate. You can read it once.
बालः पठति शिष्यः नमति अग्रजः वदति. Oh, okay, got it. बालः पठति बालः नमति बालः वदति बालः पश्यति बालः पृच्छति बालः गच्छति.
Now you take this second one, Shishyaha, and read all of them once like this. Shishyaha patate, Shishyaha namate, Shishyaha vadate, Shishyaha pashyate, Shishyaha luchyate, Shishyaha gachyate. You can read it once.
शिष्यः पठति शिष्यः नमति शिष्यः वदति शिष्यः पश्यति शिष्यः पृच्छति शिष्यः गच्छति.
So now can you tell the meaning what it will be? In English or Kannada? Doesn't matter. Shishyaha patate means what? Shishyaha namate means what? Shishyaha vadate means what? Shishyaha pashyate means what? Shishyaha pruchyate means what? Shishyaha gachyate means what? Can you tell the meaning?
ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now we will take Agrajaha here. Then read Agrajaha Patate, Agrajaha Namate, Agrajaha Vadate, Agrajaha Pashyate, Agrajaha Pruchyate, Agrajaha Gachyate. You can read it once.
ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Now you can tell the meaning of Agrajaha Patate, Agrajaha Namate, Agrajaha Vadate, Agrajaha Paschate, Agrajaha Pruchyate, Agrajaha Gachyate. Either in English or Kannada.
ಅಣ್ಣನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now we will take Janakaha here and read all of them one at a time. Janakaha Patate, Janakaha Namate, Janakaha Vadate, Janakaha Pashyate, Janakaha Pruchyate, Janakaha Gachyate. Read it once.
ಜನಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ವದತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Now tell the meaning of reading this in Sanskrit, how it will be either in English or Kannada. Janakaha Patate, Janakaha Namate, Janakaha Vadate, Janakaha Pashyate, Janakaha Pruchyate, Janakaha Gachyate. You can tell the meaning in English or Kannada.
ಅಪ್ಪನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Very good. Now we will take this Pitruvyaha here and read with these things one at a time. Pitruvyaha Patate, Pitruvyaha Namate, Pitruvyaha Vadate, Pitruvyaha Pashyate, Pitruvyaha Pruchyate, Pitruvyaha Gachyate. You can read it once.
ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ನಮತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ವದತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of what these sentences mean. Pitruvyaha Patate, Pitruvyaha Namate, Pitruvyaha Vadate, Pitruvyaha Pashyate, Pitruvyaha Pruchyate, Pitruvyaha Gachyate. What is the meaning either in Kannada or English?
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪರು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Very good. Now we will take this last one. Putraha Patate, Putraha Namate, Putraha Vadate, Putraha Pashyate, Putraha Pruchyate, Putraha Gachyate. Read it once.
ಪುತ್ರಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಪುತ್ರಃ ನಮತಿ, ಪುತ್ರಃ ವದತಿ, ಪುತ್ರಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಪುತ್ರಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಪುತ್ರಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Now you can tell the meaning in either English or Kannada for Putraha Patate, Putraha Namate, Putraha Vadate, Putraha Pashyate, Putraha Pruchyate, Putraha Gachyate. Either tell in English or Kannada.
ಮಗನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now, in the same pattern, now we will take this one at a time here and read all of them. Otherwise, first let us read this vertically, top to bottom. Sevakaha, Bhikshukah, Mata, Anuja, Agraja, Sutaha. You can read it from top to bottom once.
ಸೇವಕಃ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ, ಮಾತಾ, ಅನುಜ, ಅಗ್ರಜ, ಸುತಃ.
Now we will read this right side column from top to bottom. Patati, Namati, Vadati, Pasyati, Pruchyati, Gachyati. You can read it once.
ಪಠತಿ, ನಮತಿ, ವದತಿ, ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. Now we will read it horizontally. Sevakaha, Patati, Bhikshukah, Namati, Mata, Vadati, Anuja, Pasyati, Agraja, Pruchyati, Sutaha, Gachyati. You can read it once.
ಸೇವಕಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ನಮತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ, ಅನುಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಸುತಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Uttamam. Now you can tell the meaning of reading like Sevakaha Patati, Bhikshukah Namati, Mata Vadati, Anuja Pasyati, Agraja Pruchyati, Sutaha Gachyati. You can tell the meaning in either English or Kannada.
Sevaka means servant, Bhikshukaha means monk, Mata means mother, Anuja means younger sister, Agraja means elder sister, Sutaha means son.
Same thing you can tell for the right side items. Patati, Namati, Vadati, Pasyati, Pruchyati, Gachyati.
Patati means read, Namati means salute, Vadati means say, Pashyati means see, Pruchyati means ask, Gachyati means go.
Very good. Somebody has joined. Anybody else is there?
No.
Okay. Then we will go take this one item at a time in the left column, Sevakaha, and read along with these things. Sevakaha Patati, Sevakaha Namati, Sevakaha Vadati, Sevakaha Pasyati, Sevakaha Pruchyati, Sevakaha Gachyati. You can read it once.
Sevakaha patati, Sevakaha namati, Sevakaha vadati, Sevakaha pashyati, Sevakaha pruchyati, Sevakaha gachyati.
Now you can tell the meaning of by reading this, like Sevakaha Patati, Sevakaha Namati, Sevakaha Vadati, Sevakaha Pasyati, Sevakaha Pruchyati, Sevakaha Gachyati. You can tell the meaning in either English or Kannada.
So, servant is reading, servant is doing salute, servant is saying, servant is seeing, servant is asking, servant is going.
Very good. Now you will take the second one, Bhikshukah here, and read with these items one at a time. Bhikshukah Patati, Bhikshukah Namati, Bhikshukah Vadati, Bhikshukah Pasyati, Bhikshukah Pruchyati, Bhikshukah Gachyati. You can read it once.
Bhikshukah patati, Bhikshukah namati, Bhikshukah vadati, Bhikshukah pashyati, Bhikshukah pruchyati, भिक्षुकः गच्छति.
Very good. Now you can tell what will be the meaning of Bhikshukah patate, Bhikshukah namate, Bhikshukah vadate, Bhikshukah pasyate, Bhikshukah pruchyate, Bhikshukah gachyate. Either you can tell the answer in English or Kannada.
So, monk is reading, monk is saluting, monk is saying, monk is seeing, monk is asking, monk is going.
Very good. Now we will take the next word here and read with all these things. Mata patate, Mata namate, Mata vadate, Mata pasyate, Mata pruchyate, Mata gachyate. You can read it once.
माता पठति, माता नमति, माता वदति, माता पश्यति, माता पृच्छति, माता गच्छति.
Now we can tell the meaning of what it means when we read Mata patate, Mata namate, Mata vadate, Mata pasyate, Mata pruchyate, Mata gachyate. Either in English or Kannada.
ತಾಯಿಯು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
Very good. Now we will take this Anuja. Anuja patate, Anuja namate, Anuja vadate, Anuja pasyate, Anuja pruchyate, Anuja gachyate. Read it once.
Anuja patati, Anuja namati, Anuja vadati, Anuja pashyati, Anuja pruchyati, Anuja gacchati.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of what it means when we read Anuja patate, Anuja namate, Anuja vadate, Anuja pasyate, Anuja pruchyate, Anuja gachyate. Either in English or Kannada.
ತಂಗಿಯು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ತಂಗಿಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
Very good. Then we will take the next item here, which is Agraja patate, Agraja namate, Agraja vadate, Agraja pasyate, Agraja pruchyate, Agraja gachyate. You can read it once.
ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning either in English or Kannada. When we read Agraja patate, Agraja namate, Agraja vadate, Agraja pasyate, Agraja pruchyate, Agraja gachyate. Either in English or Kannada.
So, elder sister is reading, elder sister is saluting, elder sister is saying, elder sister is seeing, elder sister is asking, and elder sister is going.
Very good. Now we'll take this last item. Sutaha patate, Sutaha namate, Sutaha vadate, Sutaha pasyate, Sutaha pruchyate, Sutaha gachyate. Read it once.
Sutaha patati, Sutaha namati, Sutaha vadati, Sutaha pashyati, Sutaha pruchyati, Sutah gacchati.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of the sentences like Sutaha patati, Sutaha namati, Sutaha vadati, Sutaha pashyati, Sutaha pruchyate, Sutaha gacchate, either in English or in Kannada.
ಮಗನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now you can read these words from top to bottom once. Sevakaha, Vikshikaha, Mata, Anuja, Agraja, Sutaha.
ಸೇವಕಃ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ, ಮಾತಾ, ಅನುಜ, ಅಗ್ರಜ, ಸುತಃ.
Same thing, you read this also from top to bottom. Patati, Namati, Vadati, Pashyati, Pruchyati, Gacchati.
ಪಠತಿ, ನಮತಿ, ವದತಿ, ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. Now read this list from top to bottom. Rama, Bala, Ganga, Sita, Saha, Sa. You can read it once.
ರಮ, ಬಾಲ, ಗಂಗಾ, ಸೀತಾ, ಸಹ, ಸ.
Same thing, read this right side from top to bottom. Patati, Namati, Vadati, Pashyati, Pruchyati, Gacchati.
ಪಠತಿ, ನಮತಿ, ವದತಿ, ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. Now we will take one item here and read all of them one at a time. Rama patati, Rama namati, Rama vadati, Rama pashyati, Rama pruchyati, Rama gacchati.
ರಮಾ ಪಠತಿ, ರಮಾ ನಮತಿ, ರಮಾ ವದತಿ, ರಮಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ರಮಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ರಮಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of reading like this. Rama patati, Rama namati, Rama vadati, Rama pashyati, Rama pruchyati, Rama gacchati, either in English or Kannada.
ಸೊ ರಮಾ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ರಮಾ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ರಮಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ರಮಾ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ರಮಾ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ರಮಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
Very good. Now we'll take this word Bala and repeat with these words one at a time. Bala patati, Bala namati, Bala vadati, Bala pashyati, Bala pruchyati, Bala gacchati. You can read it once.
ಬಾಲ ಪಠತಿ, ಬಾಲ ನಮತಿ, ಬಾಲ ವದತಿ, ಬಾಲ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಬಾಲ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಬಾಲ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of what it means. Bala patati, Bala namati, Bala vadati, Bala pashyati, Bala pruchyati, Bala gacchati. You can tell meanings of this in either English or Kannada.
ಹುಡುಗನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now we will take this third item. Ganga patati, Ganga namati, Ganga vadati, Ganga pashyati, Ganga pruchyati, Ganga gacchati. You can read it once.
Ganga patati, Ganga namati, Ganga vadati, Ganga pashyati, Ganga pruchati, Ganga gacchati.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of these sentences in English or Kannada. Ganga patati, Ganga namati, Ganga vadati, Ganga pashyati, Ganga pruchyati, Ganga gacchati. You can tell in English or Kannada.
So ಗಂಗಾ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಗಂಗಾ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಗಂಗಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಗಂಗಾ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಗಂಗಾ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಗಂಗಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
Very good. Now we will take this word saha and read with these words one at a time. Saha patati, saha namati, saha vadati, saha pashyati, saha pruchyati, saha gacchati. You can read it once.
ಸಹ ಪಠತಿ, ಸಹ ನಮತಿ, ಸಹ ವದತಿ, ಸಹ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಸಹ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಸಹ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of these sentences. Saha patati, saha namati, saha vadati, saha pashyati, saha pruchyati, saha gacchati.
ಸೊ ಅವನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now we will take this last item. Sa patati, sa namati, sa vadati, sa pashyati, sa pruchyati, sa gacchati. You can read it once.
ಸ ಪಠತಿ, ಸ ನಮತಿ, ಸ ವದತಿ, ಸ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಸ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಸ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. Now we can tell the meaning of what is sa patati, sa namati, sa vadati, sa pashyati, sa pruchyati, sa gacchati, either in English or Kannada.
ಇವನು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇವನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now read this left side from top to bottom once.
ಬಾಲಃ ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಜನಕಃ ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪುತ್ರಃ.
Similarly, read these things from top to bottom.
ತಾವತಿ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಅಟತಿ ಹಸತಿ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಖಾದತಿ.
Very good. Now, can you tell the meaning of these things in English or Kannada? Balaha is boy, Shishyaha is disciple or student or pupil, Agrajaha elder brother, Janakaha father, Pitruvyaha uncle, Putraha son. Davate run, Tishtate stand, Atate wander, Hasate smile, Kridate play, Kadate eat. You can read it once.
Yeah. Balaha means boy, Shishyaha means disciple, Agrajaha means elder brother, Janakaha means father. Pitruvyah means uncle. Putraha means son. Davati means run. Tishtati means stand. Atati means wander. Um, then as Hasati means smile. Kridati means play. Kadati means eat.
Very good. Now we can read this, take this one item and read with these things one at a time. Balaha davate, Balaha tishtate, Balaha atate, Balaha asate, Balaha kridate, Balaha padate. You can read it once.
Balaha davati. Balaha tishtati. Balaha atati. Balaha hasati. Balaha kridati. Balaha kadati.
Very good. Now, can you tell the meaning of these sentences? Balaka davate, Balaka tishtate, Balaka atate, Balaka asate, Balaha kridate, Balaha kadate. Either in English or Kannada.
ಸೊ ಹುಡುಗನು ಓಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ಅಲೆದಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ನಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹುಡುಗನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good. Now, we'll take this second item here and read with these things one at a time. Shishyaha davate, Shishyaha tishtate, Shishyaha atate, Shishyaha asate, Shishyaha kridate, Shikshaha kadate. You can read it once.
So another participant has joined the class.
Very good, very good. You can read it once. Shishyaha patate, Shishyaha davate, Shishyaha tishtate, Shishyaha atate, Shishyaha asate, Shishyaha kridate, Shishyaha kadate. You can read it once.
ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಧಾವತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಅಟತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಹಸತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಖಾದತಿ.
Very good. Whether other student is there?
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಹೋದಯ.
Ah,
ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಧಾವತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಅಟತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಹಸತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಖಾದತಿ.
Very good. Now we will take the Shishya here and read with Davati. One at a time, taking all this one at a time. Shishya Davati, Shishya Tishtate, Shishya Atate, Shishya Asate, Shishya Kridate, Shishya Kadate. Now you can tell the meaning of these sentences. Shishyaha davate, Shishyaha tishtate, Shishyaha atate, Shishyaha asate, Shishyaha kridate, Shishyaha kadate. Either in English or Kannada.
So
ಶಿಷ್ಯನು
yeah, you can tell. I'll tell.
ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good, very good. You can also read.
So disciple is running, disciple is standing, disciple is wandering, disciple is smiling, disciple is playing, and disciple is eating.
Very good. Now we will take Agrajaha here and read with all these words one at a time. Agrajaha davate, Agrajaha tishtate, Agrajaha atate, Agrajaha asate, Agrajaha kridate, Agrajaha kadate. You can read it once.
अग्रजः धावति, अग्रजः तिष्ठति, अग्रजः अटति, अग्रजः हसति, अग्रजः क्रीडति, अग्रजः खादति.
Very good. You can also read another student.
अग्रजा धावति,
Agrajah.
अग्रजः धावति, अग्रजः धावति, अग्रजः तिष्ठति, अग्रजः अटति, अग्रजः हसति, अग्रजः क्रीडति, अग्रजः खादति.
Now you have to tell the meaning of these sentences. Agrajah davate, agrajah tishtate, agrajah atate, agrajah asate, agrajah kridate, agrajah kadate, either in English or in Kannada.
ಅಣ್ಣನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. Now you can read the same thing again. You can tell the meaning of.
Yeah. So elder brother is running, elder brother is standing, elder brother is wandering, elder brother is smiling, elder brother is playing, elder brother is eating.
Very good. Now we will take this Janakaha here. Read with all these words one at a time. Janakaha davate, Janakaha tishtate, Janakaha atate, Janakaha hasate, Janakaha kridate, Janakaha kadate. You can read it once.
ಜನಕಃ ಧಾವತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಅಟತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಹಸತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಜನಕಃ ಖಾದತಿ.
You can also tell in English or Kannada.
जनकः धावति, जनकः तिष्ठति, जनकः अटति, जनकः हसति, जनकः क्रीडति, जनकः खादति.
What will be the meaning of this in English or Kannada? You can tell. Janakaha davate, Janakaha tishtate, Janakaha atate, Janakaha hasate, Janakaha kridate, Janakaha kadate.
ತಂದೆಯು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಂದೆಯು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. You can also tell that.
So father is running, father is standing, father is wandering, father is smiling, father is playing, father is eating.
Very good. Now we will take this Pitruvyaha and then read with these words. Pitruvyaha davate, Pitruvyaha tishtate, Pitruvyaha atate, Pitruvyaha hasate, Pitruvyaha kridate, Pitruvyaha kadate. You can read it 3 times because these are the new, some of them are new words.
ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಧಾವತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಅಟತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಹಸತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಖಾದತಿ.
You can repeat it 3 times.
ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಧಾವತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಅಟತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಹಸತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಖಾದತಿ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಧಾವತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಅಟತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಹಸತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಖಾದತಿ.
Very good. So other student also can read 3 times.
पितृव्यः धावति, पितृव्यः तिष्ठति, पितृव्यः अटति, पितृव्यः हसति, पितृव्यः क्रीडति, पितृव्यः खादति.
3 times.
पितृव्यः धावति, पितृव्यः तिष्ठति, पितृव्यः अटति, पितृव्यः हसति, पितृव्यः क्रीडति, पितृव्यः खादति पितृव्यः धावति पितृव्यः तिष्ठति पितृव्यः अटति पितृव्यः हसति पितृव्यः क्रीडति पितृव्यः खादति.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of the sentences. Pitruvyah davate, Pitruvyah tishtate, Pitruvyah atate, Pitruvyah asate, Pitruvyah क्रीडते, पितृव्यः खादते.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. The other student also can tell the meaning either in English or Kannada.
So,
ಚಿಕ್ಕ-
uncle is running, uncle is standing, uncle is wandering, uncle is smiling, uncle is playing, and uncle is reading.
Uncle is?
Re- Uncle is playing, uncle is reading. Sorry, eating.
That's right. Now we will take this putraha here and read all of them one at a time. Putraha davate, putraha tishtate, putraha atate, putraha asate, putraha क्रीडते, putraha खादते. Read it three times.
पुत्रः धावति, पुत्रः तिष्ठति, पुत्रः अटति, पुत्रः हसति, पुत्रः क्रीडति, पुत्रः खादति. पुत्रः धावति, पुत्रः तिष्ठति, पुत्रः अटति, पुत्रः हसति, पुत्रः क्रीडति, पुत्रः खादति. पुत्रः धावति, पुत्रः तिष्ठति, पुत्रः अटति, पुत्रः हसति, पुत्रः क्रीडति, पुत्रः खादति.
Very good. So other student also can read it three times.
पुत्रः धावति पुत्रः तिष्ठति पुत्रः अटति पुत्रः हसति पुत्रः क्रीडति पुत्रः खादति. पुत्रः धावति पुत्रः तिष्ठति पुत्रः अटति पुत्रः हसति पुत्रः क्रीडति पुत्रः खादति.
Once more.
पुत्रः धावति पुत्रः तिष्ठति पुत्रः अटति पुत्रः हसति पुत्रः क्रीडति पुत्रः खादति.
Very good. Now we will tell the meaning of these sentences. Putraha davate, putraha tishtate, putraha atati, putraha asate, putraha क्रीडते, पुत्रः खादते. Either in English or Kannada.
ಮಗನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. The other student also can tell the meaning either in English or Kannada.
So, sun is running, sun is standing, sun is wandering, sun is smiling, sun is playing, and sun is eating.
Very good. Now read this once from top to bottom. Read it once from top to bottom. So Balaha, Shishyaha, Agrajaha, Janakaha, Pitruvyaha, Putraha, Davate, Tishtate, Atate, Asate, Kridate, Kadate. You can read it once.
ಬಾಲಃ ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಜನಕಃ ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪುತ್ರಃ ಧಾವತಿ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಅಟತಿ ಹಸತಿ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಖಾದತಿ.
Very good. The other students also can read.
बालः शिष्यः अग्रजः जनकः पितृव्यः पुत्रः धावति तिष्ठति अटति हसति क्रीडति खादति.
Very good. Now read this once. सेवकः, भिक्षुकः, माता, अनुजा, अग्रजा, सुतः, धावति, तिष्ठति, अटति, हसति, क्रीडति, खादति. You can read it once.
सेवकः, भिक्षुकः, माता, अनुजा, अग्रजा, सुतः, धावति, तिष्ठति, अटति, हसति, क्रीडति, खादति.
Very good. Other student also can read.
सेवकः, भिक्षुकः, माता, अनुज, अग्रजा, सुतः, धावति, तिष्ठति, अटति, हसति, क्रीडति, and खादति.
Very good. Now we will take this sevakaha here, read with all of them. Sevakaha davate, sevakaha tishtate, sevakaha atate, sevakaha hasate, sevakaha kridate, sevakaha kadate. You can read it 2 times.
सेवकः धावति, सेवकः तिष्ठति, सेवकः अटति, सेवकः हसति, सेवकः क्रीडति, सेवकः खादति. सेवकः धावति, सेवकः तिष्ठति, सेवकः अटति, सेवकः हसति, सेवकः क्रीडति, सेवकः खादति.
Very good. So other student also can read it twice.
सेवकः धावति, सेवकः तिष्ठति, सेवकः अटति, सेवकः हसति, सेवकः क्रीडति, सेवकः खादति. सेवकः धावति, सेवकः तिष्ठति, सेवकः अटति, सेवकः हसति, सेवकः क्रीडति, सेवकः खादति.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of the sentences. Sevakaha davate, sevakaha tishtate, sevakaha atate, sevakaha hasate, sevakaha kridate, sevakaha kadate. Either in English or Kannada.
ಸೇವಕನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೇವಕನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. Other student?
So, Sevaka is running, Sevaka is standing, Sevaka is wandering, and Sevaka is smiling, Sevaka is playing, and Sevaka is eating.
Okay. Sevakaha means servant. You can say servant is running, servant is standing, servant is wandering, servant is smiling, servant is playing, servant is eating. You can repeat once.
Servant is running, servant is standing, servant is wandering, servant is smiling, servant is playing, servant is eating.
Very good. Now we will take this Bhikshukaha and read with all these items twice. Bhikshukaha davate, Bhikshukaha ishtate, Bhikshukaha atate, Bhikshukaha hasate, Bhikshukaha kridate, Bhikshukaha kadate. You can read it twice.
भिक्षुकः धावति, भिक्षुकः तिष्ठति, भिक्षुकः अटति, भिक्षुकः हसति, भिक्षुकः क्रीडति, भिक्षुकः खादति. भिक्षुकः धावति, भिक्षुकः तिष्ठति, भिक्षुकः अटति, भिक्षुकः हसति, भिक्षुकः क्रीडति, भिक्षुकः खादति.
Very good. Now other student also can repeat.
भिक्षुकः धावति, भिक्षुकः तिष्ठति, भिक्षुकः अटति, भिक्षुकः हसति, भिक्षुकः क्रीडति, भिक्षुकः खादति.
Once more.
भिक्षुकः धावति, भिक्षुकः तिष्ठति, भिक्षुकः अटति, भिक्षुकः हसति, भिक्षुकः क्रीडति, भिक्षुकः खादति.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of what is Bhikshukah Davate, Bhikshukah Tishtate, Bhikshukah अटते, भिक्षुकः हसते, भिक्षुकः क्रीडते, भिक्षुकः खादते.
ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. Okay. Other student also can tell the meaning in English or Kannada.
So monk is running, monk is standing, monk is wandering, monk is smiling, monk is playing, monk is eating.
Very good. Now we will take Mata here and read all these words one at a time, making 6 different sentences. Mata davate, Mata tishtate, Mata atate, Mata asate, Mata kridate, Mata padate. You can repeat it twice.
ಮಾತಾ ಧಾವತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಅಟತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಹಸತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಖಾದತಿ. ಮಾತಾ ಧಾವತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಅಟತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಹಸತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಮಾತಾ ಖಾದತಿ.
Very good. So other student can also read twice.
Mata davati, Mata tishtati, Mata atati, Mata asati, Mata kridati, Mata kadati. Mata davati, Mata tishtati, Mata atati, Mata asati, Mata kridati, Mata kadati.
Very good. Now you can tell the meaning of these sentences. Mata davate, Mata tishtate, Mata atati, Mata asate, Mata kridate, Mata kadate in either English or Kannada.
ಮಾತಾ ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ನಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ಆಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ತಾಯಿಯು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ.
Very good.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, I have one more class, Bhagavad Gita class. Shall I quit, sir?
We are tapping, so if you want you can leave, otherwise 2 minutes this will repeat, the 3 sentences will finish and go. That
Okay, sir. Shall I read
Yeah.
it, sir?
it's okay. So
Anuja Anuja tishtati, Anuja atati, Anuja asati, Anuja क्रीडति, Anuja खादति. Agraja dhavati, Agraja tishtati, Agraja atati, Agraja asati, Agraja क्रीडति, Agraja खादति. Sutah dhavati, Sutah tishtati, Sutah atati, Sutah asati, Sutah क्रीडति, Sutah खादति.
very good. You can tell the meaning of these things. Anuja, Davati, like that for all the 3.
ತಮ್ಮನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಮ್ಮನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಮ್ಮನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಮ್ಮನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಮ್ಮನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ತಮ್ಮನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಣ್ಣನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಮಗನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. So you can go.
Thank
The
you so
other
much, sir.
student can tell the meaning of these sentences.
Anuja davati, Anuja tishtati, Anuja atati, Anuja asati, Anuja kridati, Anuja kadati. Anuja davati, Anuja tishtati, Anuja atati, Anuja hasati, Anuja kridati, Anuja kadati.
You can continue.
So-
the
Younger sister is reading. Younger
Ah.
sister is no. One minute. Younger sister is running. Younger sister is standing. Younger sister is wandering. Elder sister is smiling. Elder sister is playing. Elder sister is eating. अग्रजः का धावति.
Agraja.
अग्रजा अग्रजा धावति. अग्रजा तिष्ठति. अग्रजा अटति. अग्रजा हसति. अग्रजा खादति. अग्रजा खादति.
Cridati.
क्रीडति.
Agraja kahati.
अग्रजा धावति. अग्रजा तिष्ठति. अग्रजा अटति. अग्रजा हसति. अग्रजा क्रीडति. अग्रजा खादति. सुतः धावति. सुतः तिष्ठति. सुतः अटति. सुतः हसति. सुतः क्रीडति. सुतः खादति. सुतः धावति. सुतः तिष्ठति. सुतः अटति. सुतः हसति. सुतः क्रीडति. सुतः खादति.
Very good. You can tell the meaning of these sentences for all of them one at a time. Anuja davate, Anuja ishtate, Anuja atate, Anuja asate, Anuja क्रीडते, Anuja खादते. Agraja davate, Agraja तिष्ठते, Agraja अटते, Agraja असते, Agraja क्रीडते, अग्रजा खादते, सुतः धावते, सुतः तिष्ठते, सुतः अटते, सुतः हसते, सुतः क्रीडते, सुतः खादते. You can tell the meaning in English or Kannada for all these things.
So, younger sister is running. Younger sister is standing. Younger sister is wandering. Younger sister is smiling. Younger sister is playing. Younger sister is eating. Elder sister is standing. Elder sister is wandering. Elder sister is wandering. Elder sister is smiling. Elder sister is playing. Elder sister is eating. So then, son is running. Son is standing. Son is wandering. Son is smiling. Son is playing. Son is eating.
Very good. So now we will stop for today and we will continue the lessons tomorrow. So I will also send the video. You go through the same, write down the list of the words that what you have learnt, that is adding yesterday's and today's, and try to write it at least 3 times, and you can send it by WhatsApp to me to 9844027371, so that I will go through and check whether any corrections are required. So please write it using Devanagari script like this, because in examinations nowadays they want students to write the exam using Devanagari script. Will it be okay?
Yes.
We will stop here. So, Punar Milamaha. This program was brought to you by Matavara Dual Institute of Technology, the free virtual center for everybody, virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any place, learn free at any time, learn free at any pace. Good luck, learners. Have a good day. We'll meet tomorrow, same time, morning 6 o'clock. We will have the session for 1 hour from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Good luck, learners. Have a good day.